Hello everyone, in this video we'll discuss how to measure angles in radian. We have already studied degree measurements. So this is the second method where we need to find out the angles in radian measures. Whenever we are having a circle of certain radius, say R, O is a center, and this is a circumference of a circle. Now what do you mean by 1 radian? 1 radian is that angle. If you take, this is a radius R, if you take a arc of equal length to the radius, so यहाँ पे radius R है, उसी R radius वाला अगर arc हम यहाँ पे लेंगे, actually this is the length of arc. If that length of arc is same as radius of the circle, then whatever angle formed here, this is called 1 radian. So once again I repeat, whenever if you choose a arc equal to the radius of circle, then angle subtended by that arc at the center becomes 1 radian. So this small c is a notation for radian, 1 radian. So 1 radian, angle subtended by an arc of length equal to radius at the center. Or if you take a unit circle whose radius is 1, if you choose length of arc is also 1, then this is also 1, then this angle is 1 radian. You are interested in one rotation equivalent to how much radian? As like in degree, एक rotation 360 डिग्री का होता है, तो यहाँ पे one rotation equals to what? So one rotation equals to 2 pi radian. It is in radian. So एक rotation 2 pi radian का हो गया. So what is a half rotation? Half rotation is half of this 2 pi, means 5 radian. So 1/4 rotation means quarter, that is a pi by 2. So if you consider this, so this is pi by 2, this is the initial arm. So this much is pi by 2. Till here is a pi radian. If you go ahead, 3/4 is equals to 3 times pi by 2. So 1/4 is pi by 2. 90 degree equivalent to pi by 2. So 180 is 2 times pi by 2, that is a pi. 3 times pi by 2, and this is 4 times pi by 2, means 2 pi. So 0 equivalent to 2 pi. And these rotations are goes on. So your angle is not restricted for one rotation. So your 2 rotations equivalent to 2 times 2 pi. So that is 4 pi. Isn't it? So 3 rotations. So 3 times 2 pi, that is 6 pi, and means 2 pi, then 4 pi, 6 pi, 8 pi, all even pi's are at this position, which is equivalent to 0. Now what is the relation between length of arc and radians? So what is the length of arc for a given circle? Suppose we have a circle here and we want to find, this is the center where theta, this is the length. So what is the length? This is a radius. So radius R. Normally we know theta by 360 into circumference 2 pi r. This is a formula when theta is in degree. Another formula, so it is r theta simply, where theta is in radian. So this is a formula for length of arc. Okay. Now we'll discuss relation between degree measure and radian measure. हमने पहले भी देखा है कि डिग्री क्या होता है, वन रोटेशन मीन्स व्हाट, एंड इन रेडियन व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ वन रेडियन. सो डिग्री, that one rotation is equivalent to 360 degree, and in radian one rotation equivalents to 2 pi. So what does it mean? 360 equivalent to 2 pi radian. 360 degree equivalent to 2 pi radian. Now we'll check if you want to convert degree in radian or radian in degree. So this equivalent factor is very important. So if you want 90 degree, so 90 degree means it is 1/4 of 360. So 1/4 of 2 pi, and it becomes pi by 2. So 180 degree equivalent to, in radian, it is pi radian. 270 degree is equivalent to 3 times pi by 2 radian. But these are the standard one, quadrantal angle. What we call that? 90 degree, 180 degree, 270 degree, 2 pi are quadrantal angles in one quadrant: first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, and fourth quadrant. So for quadrantal angle, it is easy to remember. These are the multiples or sub-multiples of pi. Whole is 2 pi, 90 is pi by 2, 180 is pi, 270 is 3 times pi by 2. But what about the middle angles? If I want to calculate 30 degree equals to, so in that case the conversion factor is 30 degree. So 1 radian or 1 degree is equals to 1 degree is equals to 1 by 180 pi. That is 1 degree equivalents to pi by 180 radians. Or if you want 1 radian to be converted in degree, that is 180 by pi degree. So remember this factor. Whenever you want to convert degree in radian, multiply by pi by 180. Whenever you want to convert radian to degree, multiply by 180 by pi. For example, we'll take few examples. What is 30 degree? 30 degree is 1 by, means we want in pi, 30 into pi by 180. Multiply the given number by pi by 180. The final answer would be in radian. So reduce it, 3 6 are, so pi by 6 radian. 45 degree, 45 into pi by 180. So reduce it, 45 how many times 180? 4 times, so pi by 4 radian. Then 60 degree, 60 into pi by 180. So convert degree in radians, so multiplication factor is pi by 180. So 63s are, so pi by 3 radian. So these are the conversions. Now in a vice versa, if you want to convert radian to degree, suppose you want to convert pi radian, so pi into the multiplication factor is 180 by pi degree. So pi cancel, 180. You want to find the value of 2 pi radian, so 2 pi multiplied by 180 by pi. So here also pi gets cancelled, 182 is 360. Similarly, for any 3 by 4 pi odd radian is taken, 3 by 4 pi into 180 by pi. So what you will get? Pi cancel, that is 4, 45 3s are, reduce it, 4 1s are 4, 4s are 16, 4 5s are, then 45 3 times, so how much? 135. This is in degree. So like this, remember two factors. While converting degree to radian, multiply by pi by 180, degree to radian, and while converting radian to degree, multiply 180 by pi. These are the factors. Now we'll check radian measures of some standard angles in degree. What is the equivalent 0 degree in radian? 0. This is in radian. 30 degree, its equivalent in radian is pi by 6. You can assume pi as a 180. 180 divided by 6 is 30. So 45 is of 1/4 of 180. So pi is equivalent to 180. 180 divided by 4, 45. 60 is third part of pi. 90 is half of pi. 180 itself pi. 270 is 3 times pi by 2, and 360 is 2 times pi. This is about one rotation, and this goes on for multiple rotations. As you know the conversion factor, degree to radians, so simply multiply by pi upon 180. For example, again I will repeat example. If you want 40 degrees to be converted in radian, so 40 into pi upon 180, whatever it may be in decimal also, no problem. So this is 2 by 9 after reduction, 2 by 9 pi. This is in radian. आपने इंटीग्रल डिग्रीज को रेडियन में ऑलरेडी कन्वर्ट किया है. यू नो द मल्टीपल फैक्टर इज पाई बाय 180. लेकिन यहाँ पे आपका गिवन एंगल इंटीग्रल नहीं है. 60 डिग्री कंप्लीट है, उसके बाद है 20 मिनट्स. सो 60 डिग्री और 20 मिनट्स, तो इसको हमें कन्वर्ट करना है टोटली रेडियन में. सो हाउ कैन वी स्टार्ट? सो यू कैन चेक 60 डिग्री 20 मिनट्स. We will split this degree and minute. 60 डिग्री है, उसको फिर मिनट्स को हमें डिग्री में ही कन्वर्ट करना पड़ेगा. 60 मिनट प्लस 60 डिग्री प्लस 20 मिनट. लेकिन हमें मिनट्स नहीं चाहिए, ये पूरा चाहिए हमें डिग्री में. तो मिनट को डिग्री में कन्वर्ट करना है. सो 20 डिग्री में बिगर यूनिट्स में कन्वर्ट कर रहे हैं हम. 20 डिवाइडेड बाय 60. नाउ इट इज इन डिग्री, क्योंकि मिनट्स को हमने डिग्री में कन्वर्ट किया. सो दिस इज 60 प्लस, इसमें कितना हो गया 1/3. दिस टोटल इज इन नाउ डिग्री. सो हमने मिनट को डिग्री में उल्टा कन्वर्ट करवा के लिया. सो इट बिकम 180 plus 1/3, that is in degree. So that is 181/3, that is in degree. Means simply हमने simplify किया 60 degree 20 minutes को. Totally we have converted in degree. It may be in fraction, isn't it? So अब इसे हमें रेडियन में कन्वर्ट करना है. So 181/3 रेडियन में कन्वर्ट करने के लिए हमारे पास फैक्टर है पाई बाय 180. सो दैट इज इन रेडियन, isn't it? So we will reduce it if possible, otherwise we will leave it as like this.